This is the aromatic herbal stick balm. Antibag and itch relief na siya. This is a green gel balm made from natural extracts. It is aromatherapy fragrance, easy absorbed, and it is very easy to use. You can just inhale, apply, rub, and massage. And this is very relaxing, refreshing, and cooling. It is infused with natural soothing ingredients, and this balm is crafted to provide relief exactly where you need it. Numbers. Palagi na lang numbers. Yes, kagaya ko ba kayo na palaging hinaharap yung mga numbers? If you are an accountant or online bookkeeper, makaka-relate ka. And at the end of the day, yesterday, sumakit yung ulo ko dahil sa kakaharap ng numbers. Numbers whole day. Buti na lang, meron akong very handy dito na Therapafe. Buti na lang, may nakaredy ako ditong herbal balm na pwede mong ipahid sa noo mo dito para ma-refresh ka and mawala yung sakit ng ulo mo. And you know what? Very, very refreshing yung amoy niya. Like, pwede niyong i-rub. I-rub niyo lang dito kung saan masakit. You will just apply it. Kung gusto niyo ma-relax, kung mahiluhin ka sa biyahe, pwede mong dalhin to and lagay mo dyan or iamoy-amoyin mo. Very refreshing yung bango niya. And if may mga kagat kayo ng lamok, pwede nyo siyang ipahid. For example, may ako dito, pula-pula. Pwede kong ipahid dyan. Yan. And now, na-discover ko to, this will be a go-to herbal balm na ilalagay ko sa bag ko. If wala ka pa nito, para mas easy sa'yo, ilalagay ko dyan sa yellow basket.